Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to change UPI PIN in Google Pay. Firstly, launch the Google Pay app on your Android or iOS device and make sure you're logged in. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the account settings and linked bank details. Just select payment methods from the menu and here you'll see a list of all bank accounts currently linked to your Google Pay. From the expanded list, tap Manage UPI IDs. Now Google Pay will send an OTP to your registered phone number. Just enter it to verify your identity. Next, to the desired bank account, tap Add besides the UPI handle you want to create. You can have multiple UPI IDs for the same bank account. Just choose the one you prefer. Once done, your new UPI ID will be created and ready for use in transactions. You can now select this as your default UPI ID for sending or receiving money. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.